Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. The smart home, it's here, or is it? Really? Like, huh? Like matter? This idea that matter was supposed to be a thing? I guess it's still a thing, but it's not a thing yet. Like, how long do we have to wait for the smart home to actually get smart? I feel smarter not connecting my dishwasher, not connecting my refrigerator, my toaster, things that don't need an IP address. I do not require a firmware update before I make coffee in the morning. I don't stress out. I have so many things that I need to stress out about. That is the last thing I want to worry about. So what's the deal with the smartphone? I don't know what the deal with the smartphone is either, nor do I know the deal with the smart home. All these gadgets, but how many of them really need to be connected? And what are you doing when you connect those devices? Do you know everything about those devices? You do not. So if a device does not need to be connected to the network, I don't. Or if it does need to be connected, let's say for an important firmware update like a television, which may have a new feature. I had to do that to update HDR features on an HD TV that we have. Do they still call them HD TVs these days? Or is that like antiquated? Anyway, so I've done that. I'll put it online, and then as soon as it's updated, I yank it offline. It doesn't need to be online permanently. I don't want it online. The fewer devices I have online, the happier, the smarter I feel. And if it does need to be online for one reason or another, my recommendation, and I wouldn't be the only one to make this recommendation, segment your network. Network segmentation is critical, especially when you're dealing with devices you know nothing about. Let's face it, pretty much every one of the devices on your network, you know nothing about.